Some boy them not ready for the blood clot pain.
Come here, boy. Hold on there, what go on? Heard him already. What him do? What him could have wrong? Nah, no, start him, I'm gonna chunk the man here now. Boom, bang, bang. It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Viewers and subscribers, what go on? How uno feeling? Right now we got Prince Swanny unknown car. You guys been spamming this for the longest while. And you don't know, say, me feel like we made the Prince Swanny reaction because him introduced me to the Trinidad song them. Trinidad movement basically. I'm the first artist I react to. First ever Trinidad song I react to, and then boy. And then Meds Boss. You don't understand me? And then the list goes on. History in the making. You don't know a chap, but right now we got Prince Swanny unknown car. You see me, I say, I want to special shout out to everybody over Trinidad again. And then I say, all I know who are watching me from everywhere, big up the whole of the side them. And then I say, big up the whole of the movement them. Everybody big up on yourself. You see me, shout out to everybody who follow up on the Instagram live them. Shout out to Prince Swanny himself. Shout out to Tappy Boss. Shout out to Not Normal Scam. Shout out to CJ Dan. Shout out to CJ Dan. Shout out to shout out to Bumbuckle Belt, Motiex. Hey, everybody is calling. Shout out to Nelly. And shout out to who else? What's to get them big up? Who else? Shout out to everybody who watches. Shout out to Jovitan. Shout out to shout out to Sayap Boss. And then me say shout out to everybody. As me say shout out to everybody. Shout out to the manager them. Shout out to everybody over Trinidad. Everybody big up on yourself. It's been a boy tie. Run tune.
The boy them a talk and talk, yeah, but them can't walk the walk. The gun them a beat and beat cause the bad.
You feeling now bad, man? You not talk and talk, but guess what? You can't beat the war. I want to feel like you know about Prince Swanny. Run. You say it with me. Run tune.
In the street, yeah. Extol empty a clip in them face.
Man come to sing a bad man gun song tune. Empty a clip in them face. Empty a clip in them face. And sing man come to sing a bad man song tune. And DJ man come to DJ and say, go on. And 2 years ago the song I got by the way. Run tune.
Some boy them not ready for the blood clot pain.
Come here, boy. What on there? What go on? Heard him already. What him do? What could have wrong? Nah, no, start him, I'm gonna chunk the man here now. Chunk him. Go on, baby, that chunk.
The gun when me bust nah jam, me no. And me no care where you come from.
Yo, the man just tell us say the gun when bust. It now Bumbuckle Bell jam. And guess what the man say again? He no care where you forward from. You get Bumbuckle Bell shell. Like shell cooking gas. Red tune.
See if you know how my links them strong. Talk up in your mouth, dog. You no last long. Z take down. You shoulda never fuck wrong anyway.
Did I bring any water in the car? Did I bring anything in the car to cool myself down? No. I finna sweat like a mofo today. But guess how I gotta do? Run through, that's what Prince Swanny depend. Because the boy them a talk, and them can't. It's the war. Run tune. This and this. I don't know what I'm saying.
Hey, me a step block, men them a wrong. Talk about chain, but me not give you wrong.
Yeah.
Dog, me go leave that for your next song.
What? No, man. You not eat it if you try for this Prince Swanny, man. You hear what go on? You don't really hear what is going on here. People, go on the pause. But you tell themselves like the video already. Yo, we are going for 2 biz likes on the video. I guess I want the comment section. I want the fire emoji them right now, live and directly in the comment section. Drop the fire emoji and guess what again? Watch the ads. Watch at least one of the advertisements them to the end night. Is it me? So watch a full ad. So me get paid. Run tune.
Hey, them not ready for the war. Them not ready
for the war.
Try by now, none.
Boy, oh boy. Should I say it again? Drive by. I bro got them seen in the background a while ago.
Them not ready for the war. Them not ready. Drive.
I bro got them see a while ago. I mean, Whitey, run. But he had jumped the door. Anyways. Red tune.
By now, none car yet still. The pussy them not ready. We got rifle with the.
You see them ready for the war up on the war, right, sir? But the man say I go drive by now unknown car. What them know about that? I'm not ready for the war, dog. No. Baby strength them off. Girls strength alone them off. Red tune.
Pan belly, me and my dogs them strap and ready.
Yeah.
Gunshot make you dance like Shelly. Last boy this.
Watch your man, you dance like Shelly. But it's not. No, the boy with them kidnapped a while ago. The man say I'm going ever ready. And gosh, they're gonna make you dance like Shelly. You want to see your Shelly dance? You see, for the one time when I come out and make you go and be antics, you know. But I don't even make you this, dog. I can't bother with the madness right now, dog. Come on, just wake up in the morning, you know, dog. Run, oh, people, check out this of the movie, youth. If you don't watch this of the movie, you don't need to go pray, dog. Trust me, dog. You won't regret it. Run tune.
Done dead already. I mean no care, I mean no matter. Some pussy make my heart start flatter. But them
if you make one start flatter, man, must have bomb the ends. What not do? What not do? Don't do that. That no right. No. Don't you dare. Run tune.
them a talk about them a big shotter. You get a head bust and your brain scatter. I mean I know.
Big shot. No man, come in, Breeze. I talk about you a big shot, but you get your brain splatter. Breeze, come in here. Please. Run tune.
No, why them wanna put on a show? Let's see how far them a go. Maybe you the right.
I mean, couldn't want to put on a show, dog. Why you couldn't want to put on a show? Don't do it. Or people, the past boss is in full effect. If you want to watch it without me pausing it, link to the original videos down below in the description. You can go pre it for yourself. And the ones who don't know why we pause the video down. Yeah. Rancho?
For make a head blow. Them not ready for the war. Them not ready. Try by
You
now.
know, say a bad piece of something on the video, black and white, you know, you tell them kidnap a boy and I go bomb on him, you know. I say, no, see the video, a bad piece of something on the youth. Go on.
Man don't care yet still. You see them not ready. We got rifle with the pan belly.
They done rolling for bomb on him ends. They done walk in, them say they done walk in through the back of the door, no. Wipe on the back argument, them say they done walk through the back door, no. Make you see what go on. Let me see what Prince Swanny gonna chop off one hand them and one eye foot them. Go on.
Me and my dogs them shop and ready.
Yeah.
One shot make you dance like Shelly.
Yeah.
Last boy this. Done dead already. No last long see take down. They shoulda never fuck wrong. Them not ready for the war. Dogs them shop and ready. Them a beat and beat. Cause we not have time to wait. Boy quick enough.
Yeah. Alright people. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. See me, I say, but I have to speed up the video a little bit because I don't know time I catch up on. But I hope you guys enjoy the reaction. And then I say next week, I'm certainly like giving a marathon. When I get a marathon, I probably get a video every hour and the hour. Cause I have a lot of artists to react to. I have a lot of like new artists, upcoming artists. Send me them things and thing. You know, I say, you know, I have a lot of people who reach out and do some reaction for them. So we're gonna do the right thing. You know, I say, people, yeah man, I'm out.